Hi, I am Fredrick Kilonzo and I'm 24 years old, calling from Kenya. I'm a conservationist, but there is so much more to who I am. I'm from the Maasai community in Kajiado County. My grandmother is a master beadwork artisan who taught me that our traditional patterns actually encode environmental knowledge about seasons, water sources, and when animals migrate. Growing up, I watched our springs disappear. That's what pushed me to conservation. Now, I work with the Kidongo Women's Group on Kenya's coasts, restoring mangroves forests. We have planted 10,000 seedlings and created Mangrove Gold, a beekeeping enterprise that increased women income from $3 to $15 per day. When communities can earn more protecting nature than destroying it, conservation becomes everyone's priority. Outside work, I love hiking Kenya's diverse ecosystems, that is from Maasai savannas to coastal forests. I'm learning traditional songs from elders, and honestly, I'm terrible at beekeeping. The bees always escape and the Kidongo women have to rescue me. But I'm a student just like you, learning, making mistakes and getting back up. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to make a difference. You just need to care and start.